We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today. And so I got this Kreg rip cut helper thingy. So we're going to do a review on me using it. Let's set this thing up. So this is going to be for a Makita that's from like 1980. So yeah, this is my first time using this thing, seeing what's up. Let's see how simple it is. The front of my blade has a bend in it, so I flip that little plate around. It's made to make this more secure. Yeah, so you just slide it in like this. So you got this, there's a stop right here that has a nut on the bottom. You're going to adjust that to where you want the blade. Mine lays up perfectly, so I don't have to touch that, which is awesome. I just have to line the blade up, you know, where the blade is, where the blade's going to be cutting. So what's really cool from what I saw is you just hold down this tab right here, and then you can pull this thing over and line it up with where your blade is going to be cutting. So to me, that's really cool. So yeah, so you're going to want to make sure this line right here, use this little tab, slide it back and forth, is aligned with where your blade is going to cut. Very simple, and then that's it. And then you put this on like I do. Here's your little stop that you're going to move back and forth to where you're going to align, because you're going to want your blade guard to be in the center. This way your blade guard is going to work properly. All right, so that's pretty much it. You just tighten these up, Like I said, everybody's saw is going to be a little bit different, and that's kind of it. I thought it was going to feel more secure than that, but it doesn't. So I guess that's it, and then you're just going to glide this along your project to cut. So we're going to come back, do a review, because I got to rip cut some 2x6s. Tomorrow I'm probably going to do that in the morning because it's pretty late right now. So we'll come back, finish the review with that, and see how this thing works with ripping up some wood.